Works Minister Biswajit says rains delayed repair of national highways, appeals for people's cooperation to improve roads and bridges. Forest Minister Thangnawjam Shyamkumar vows to ban ear guns and barrel guns in Manipur to protect the wildlife. Social Welfare Minister Nimcha Kipgen launches Women Helpline number 181 to prevent crimes against women. And NDA nominee Ramnath Kovind files nomination for the presidential election. Former Speaker Maira Kumar is the opposition candidate. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit said roads were not repaired for the time being. He said repair works have been delayed due to rains. The minister assured that repairing works will start as soon as the monsoon ends. Addressing media persons at the office chamber in New Secretariat, Biswajit asserted that the government will work for uniform development in the hills and the valley. He said construction works for Imphal to Mau Road was a part of the 100 days of the new government, but it was kept on hold due to the incessant rains. Biswajit claimed that the condition of the road from Kuki Tapau to Maram has considerably improved. He appealed to the people to appreciate the good works of the government. The minister said all have to equally bear the inconveniences until the raining season is over. Talking about the condition of the Imphal-Ziri road, he said the road has also improved and the PWD is also inspecting the road twice a week, even though the NHIDCL is constructing the road. The minister appealed for people's cooperation in the department's efforts to improve the road and bridges in the state.
Mau Maram National Highway section Saita, Lami Patabagi, Maramorga explanation call Taure, having a chingba, covered up phone Pachitanga Padana, Kogi department is high take issue. Hana the Kitozer Kipapunam to Punutia, the Wimatang, the Quinico Javani, the Wataching Naikogi, BJP led government, Lapumatam Dagi, Quiniching Tam, Amadi, Quimapung Kudimakta, Hana Palam, the Valambi Kudimakchi, Quina improvement on Nabagi, Honorable Chief Minister instruction, Namagalodana, Maruina Kogi, Zingi, Lamjinda, Kogi Satanabagi. Which Aman Naramo Queen Siamaga go to Hill Hidena, Aquina Hana Tingabigre, Chief Minister Makada and the Queen Minister Amoina, walked up the Ribusi Equina, Kanagi Buru, Natraga Queen Hangaki or Wakalon that Queen Kalakan, that's Hasanta Winate.
Forest and Environment Minister Thangnawjam Shyamkumar has vowed to ban ear guns and barrel guns to preserve and protect wildlife in Manipur. Speaking at the state-level stakeholder workshop for management planning of Kaibul Lamjau National Park and Conservation of Sangai, jointly organized by Forest Department and Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun at Classic Grande today, the minister said as a first step, the government will keep an eye on the holders of gun license. He said while animals including birds are mostly killed with ear guns and barrel guns, Shyamkumar asserted that wildlife can be protected if these guns are banned, disclosing that the state government is planning to convert Kaibul Lamjau into an eco-tourism park. The minister stressed the responsibility of the people to protect wildlife in the state. The minister also assured that all possible assistance will be provided to the department concerned to save wildlife including Sangai. Additional Chief Secretary, Forest and Environment, Shambhu Singh, officials of State Forest Department and Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun, and several scientists attended the event.
Wildlife mayamsi koi khalak pasira si mayamna koi kind of disease adagi akoi pang yam thole si kari gino environment ji thukai koi ne then Manipur da koi si ham koi kedo koi yargan se Manipur si han koi bel do sila ne Kaibul Lamjau si area like me mayamsi si ne koi very license by mayamsi very si kari license by na si they will bel tai bel we can control the killing of the sangai koi si ngamne surrounding level mayamsi si Moigi Kai Moigi Hingwea, Moigi subsidy Kande, loan Kande, Kai agriculture Kande, can not press by Tobia Mams, Pirakata, and Toyam.
Social Welfare Minister Nimcha Kipgen today launched a Women Helpline number 181 to fight crimes against women in the state. Minister Nimcha inaugurated the office of the helpline at the office of Manipur State Commission for Women in DC complex, Imphal West. Speaking at the event held at Kuranga Nayani Hall, DC complex, Minister Nemcha Kipgen asserted that all the persons who assault women physically or mentally deserved to be punished. She said violence against women is not new. However, it has been increasing nowadays. A toll-free 24/7 telecom services will provide assistance to women affected by violence, seeking support and information on schemes and programs related to women empowerment and protection will be disseminated. The minister maintained that women should be respected, not humiliated. She expressed the hope that the helpline service will provide help to women. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. K. Sobita, Principal Secretary J.C. Ramthanga, Social Welfare Director Jacintha Lazarus, DC Imphal West and Geoffrey were among those present at the launch of the helpline.
Women should be treated with respect and at par with men. The law laid down by our government needs to be implemented effectively, and stringent action should be taken against those who violate them. The reports of the violence against women has been alarmingly increasing in the state over the years, as can be observed through the daily news, which calls for an action to stop such incidents from occurring in near future.
Bharatiya Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh today observed the 64th death anniversary of founder of Bharatiya Jana Sangh, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, at his office at Nityai Pachatek. Flowers were offered at the portrait of the leader. Speaking on the occasion, Works Minister Tej Biswajit said, when people stop thinking about their self-interest, they can protect the integrity of the state and restore peace. Party workers donated blood at the blood donation camp held on the occasion. Makwam village Marangching authority warns of halting the work at the railway project if compensation amounting to 36 crore rupees distributed inappropriately by DC Tamenglong in connection with railway project is not taken back within 48 hours. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of Makwam village Marangching Gwangchalung Gangmei said, before the disputes regarding the compensation of the land acquired for the railway project in Marangching were settled, DC Tamenglong gave consent for compensation to be given to a certain party. He also said the genuine land owners are yet to be identified.
Thungkulung Kawan Pasna NSNM Yimioi Kuntramu Puraga Railway Survey to disturb Tore, Marangjing Kunga, Pumun Kunga disturb labor area Malay, Adutu Railway Survey Mulai, next 30 November 2015, the Adutu Labzoi Kawanupana, same NSNM Mi Kuntramu Puraga, Ekoi Kungi, shortcut Lakpa Mi Makaji Puvire, Armstrong Sina Lakbaga. Thama phau sudri khodak tamana court ke order su laitaba owner ni haina decide su tawdri right su laitri kri su laitri adubo mana court pu mana bypass tawraga paisa je mana lauthokre.
Students' Welfare Association of Manipur University of Art and Culture warned of intense agitations if the government fails to provide a campus and infrastructure to the only culture university of the country by July 15th. Manipur University of Culture now functions at Government Dance College at Palace Compound. Speaking to media persons, Executive Committee member of the University Students' Welfare Association, Yumnam Bhumeshwar, said Manipur University of Culture was established on September 26, 2016. He said 8 different departments have been opened at the university and the first semester examination for BA course has been conducted. He said the classes are yet to resume after the summer vacation. Bhumeshwar alleged that the finance department and art and culture department are not taking steps to develop the university. Bhumeshwar appealed to the chief minister and minister concerned to look into the matter so that new session can commence at the earliest.
Paliba government asina akoigi lamdambu malemda sak takpada achobo thodang lauriba art and culture bu thamoi sengai kai khumnabiduna Manipur University of Culture bu malemda masak naiba university ama ohenbiu thokliba problem sing asida chenariba sing action lokhat piyo sarkar gi mapi mapa sing school college sing da awa ana yengsin ba chatpagumna Manipur University of Culture da su Mari Lainaba Musing Tabirak to Nation and Bio. Wapam Sing Ase Lak Liba 15 July 2017 Paugi Manunda Tabak on Tok Piduna Tangdang Bama Kangan Bidrabadi Matangi Numitagi Akoi Satra Sing Lemnaba Akan Mokongjang Jangselaneb.
A man has been sentenced to 5 years in jail in a rape case. The rapist is identified as Laishram Bijoy, 53, son of Gambhir of Imphal East. Haingang Police Station registered a case under Special Trial POCSO case in 2014 against him for raping a 4-year-old girl. The trial has been going on since July 2015. A special judge POCSO Imphal East convicted the rapist on the 19th of this month and awarded imprisonment of 5 years under POCSO Section 10. The judge also awarded rupees 2 lakh compensation to the victim. A dead body of a woman was found near Minutongkunau LP School, Dewlaland this morning around 5:30. A team of Forensic Science Laboratory and Imphal Police picked up the body. Sources said the deceased is a Muslim woman from Kwakta and she was a drug peddler and abuser. A man was shot dead in an area between Kabu Market and Parington village under Machi Police Station in Tengnopal district. The deceased is identified as T. Angsand, 36, son of T. Salmon from Biang village. He was shot in the head and both his hands were tied behind his back. Police and forensic experts have deposited the body at Jennings Morgue. A team of Imphal West Police arrested a UNLF cadre from Yashkul Police Lane last night around 9. The cadre is identified as Narumbam Prameshwar, son of Let and Tombi from Wangkai, Angom Lekai. The team of Imphal West Police, led by Commando OC Pukrambam Achoba under the supervision of additional SP Maduinumai, made the arrest. Prameshwar is said to be a self-styled lieutenant and has been working under self-styled Major Kongnang Thaba from Singjamai. He joined the outfit in 1998 and had undergone military training at Eastern Nagaland. He bears MPN number 803 of the 14th batch. A team of police led by Thoubal Commando OC Inspector Sadananda under the supervision of DSP Operation S. Sachidananda seized drugs including WY tablets from a person during frisking and checking last night around 10:45 at Lelong Bazaar. The man has been identified as Muhammad Changoba Khan, son of Muhammad Karimuddin from Bishnupur Ward number 2. Police says 130 SP capsules, 88 WY tablets and 29 and 10 tablets, rupees 890 and a mobile from him. He has been handed over to Lelong Police Station. BJP Bishnupur Mandal yesterday organized a meeting on National Food Security Act NFSA and issues relating to development of the constituency at Ka Potsangbam Maning Community Hall. President of BJP Bishnupur Mandal and BJP State Executive Member K. Krishna Kumar and Councillor of Bishnupur Ward Number 7 L. Laima attended the meeting. K. Krishna Kumar assured that efforts will be made to ensure distribution of PDS items for 4 months under NFSA in a constituency at the earliest. He also said the BJP-led government will work for the development of the state. Traders in Moreh are facing problems as nationalized banks in the area are not accepting 100, 50, 20 and 10 rupee notes. Speaking to media persons, proprietor of Primark Enterprises of Moreh Ward Number 3 said, nationalized banks in Moreh like UBI, SBI, UCO are not accepting the said notes and this is creating problem in their business. He urged the authority concerned to look into the matter. Meanwhile, Moreh UBI branch manager said the said notes have not been accepted as the Reserve Bank has not yet collected the old 1,500 notes after the demonetization and there is no enough space to deposit money. The manager also appealed to the RBI to collect the old notes.
Maktang natana yang kaijapi, kunjapi, tarajapi, masizu lawo yadi. Aduga being Chaluragana, Amuksu, Niet Yade, and Aquanga Hanba, Pung Tarade being the Sakibazina, Pung Amma Ani the Hanzale Yumda, at Mind Tauru Taragadi, Aquazita Tabaksakama, Sugalakani, and the manager at Matamda, high problem to you, Mamze, Rosin Nanaba, Hazening.
It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Flanked by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP Chief Amit Shah, NDA nominee Ram Nath Kovind today filed the nomination papers for the presidential elections. The former Bihar governor was also accompanied by party patriarch L.K. Advani and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath among other senior leaders. After filing the nomination, Kovind thanked the Prime Minister and other NDA leaders for supporting him. Kovind will be going up against Congress nominee Maira Kumar, making the July 17 vote a Dalit versus Dalit battle. Maira Kumar, a former Lok Sabha speaker, is likely to file her nomination papers on June 28, the last date. Kovind's win is a foregone conclusion with NDA having 48.6% of votes in the Electoral College that will elect the next president. Regional parties such as AIADMK, BJD, TRS and JDU have announced their support to Kovind. The presidential election is scheduled for July 17 and the counting of votes will take place on July 20th. The term of President Pranab Mukherjee ends on July 24th. Once elected, Kovind will be the second Dalit to occupy the highest constitutional office. The first was K.R. Narayan, who was the president from 1997 to 2002. CBSE today announced national eligibility cum entrance test NEET results for admission to MBBS and BTS courses. The result is available on its official website www.cbsceneet.nic.in. The result of NEET undergraduate 2017 has been declared as per the directives of the Supreme Court. In a relief for thousands of students, the apex court last month allowed the CBSE to declare the NEET results. The Supreme Court ordered a stay on the Madras High Court's order which had halted results. The NEET examination for admission to MBBS and BDS courses was held on May 7th. Around 12 lakh students appeared for the exam. Michael Mitai from Kontaucham, an artist who had won state, national and international awards in painting, was felicitated today. He was also one of the 15 awardees of Junior Fellowship under the Ministry of Culture for 2014-2015. The felicitation was organized by Peace and Development Coordinating Committee at Kewa Company Community Hall in Kundrakpam today. It may be recalled that Michael lost both his legs in a bomb blast at Paurabi in 2007. His perseverance and passion won him state, national and international awards. Michael said he started painting since 2000 and continued even after the unfortunate incident. He said even though he got so many awards, he could not get any jobs even after approaching the former government. Michael said he approached Chief Minister N. Biren with his biodata on People's Day, and the Chief Minister assured him of taking the matter to the cabinet. He also presented a painting depicting violence in the society as a part of his first project under the fellowship. He said his next project will be based on the changing political scenario in Manipur. Summer camp of UNACO school, which began on June 19, concluded today. Teachers and students of the school participated in the concluding event of the summer camp. Students enthralled the audience with demonstrations of yoga, taekwondo, patriotic songs and other dance performances. Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Imphal, which is one of the oldest organizations working for the promotion of Manipuri literature and culture, celebrated its 83rd Foundation Day today. Floral tributes were offered at the portrait of 19th founder members at the event. The Parishad was formed in 1935 by 19 persons, including renowned writer Hizam Anganghal, Hizam Irabot, R.K. Shitaljit, N.G. Gopal and N. Nabukumar. It is one of the oldest bodies not only in the state but in the entire Northeast. Writers and artists who won national recognitions in 2016 were also felicitated at the event. Hema Films Productions Kutsa Ani, directed by I.S. Gurung, was released at Imphal Hotel today. Ratan Lai, Susmita, Silhaiba, Idhau, Sangeeta and Ratan Kikman are in the film. Speaking at the event, Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MLA L. Radha Kishore, said films are the mirror of the society. He also emphasized the need to improve the standard of films. Radha Kishore appealed to filmmakers to make good and socially relevant films.
Civilization like Shabeta. Mamangi first history, equi Puyab Suko Kokfade, equi Karamna, Quagiram the Mase, equi civilization like Shabeta like, Quagi Paipuna Karichanami, Karichalami, Karisalami, Dharmaniti Ras, that is Sanskriti. Mashi equi Kokfade, Masina, Manglam Kayada, equi Lambel, equi future Oigadoribani. Haji present equi materialistic way of worlds de equi Kramina. Masi ekoi sakta kani natraga ekoi ki culture natraga ekoi ki tradition sing do ningsing gadege hairagedi se achobor role ma logadur side ekoi film oirak pani.
Visitors at Chairab Court complex are facing inconveniences due to the deplorable condition of the toilets. Impact News saw the condition of the toilet just behind the main court building. The toilet appeared like a dumping area. Several persons were seen relieving themselves near the toilet. Most of the toilets had no door and one cannot identify the ones meant for women. The area stinks and it is evident that the toilets have not been maintained for quite a long time. The Bailey Bridge on National Highway 102 in Teknopal district will be extended by 20 feet. All kinds of vehicles will be prohibited on the bridge from 6 p.m. of June 24th till 10 a.m. of June 26th. Now to sports news. As held across the globe, Olympic Day run was also organized in Manipur. The International Olympic Committee (IOC) was formally established on 23rd of June 1894 through the efforts of Peri de Coubertin, promoting competitive sport as a revival of the ancient Olympic Games. In January 1948, the International Olympic Committee (IOC) approved the idea of Olympic Day to commemorate the creation of IOC on 23rd of June 1894 in Paris, and a sort of birthday of the Olympic movement at the 42nd IOC session in St. Moritz, Switzerland. Olympic Day was held for the first time on 23rd June with a total of 9 National Olympic Committees (NOCs) hosting ceremonies in their respective countries: Austria, Belgium, Canada, Great Britain, Greece, Portugal, Switzerland, Uruguay and Venezuela. The first Olympic Day run was held in 1987. The Olympic Day run is usually held during June 17 to 24 by NOCs with 1.5 kilometer Olympic Day fun run, 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer running activities. Manipur Olympic Association and Department of Youth Affairs and Sports jointly organized the Olympic Day run on the theme Run for Peace and Friendship. Players of several sports associations participated in the run. YAS Minister Led Pao Haukip, MOA President I. Hemochandra and YAS Commissioner H. Dilip IAS and representatives of various sports bodies attended the event. Imphal West District Football Association thrashed Imphal East District Football Association 4-0 in the 4th league match of the 21st Sub-Junior Boys Inter-District Football Tournament at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground. Imphal West District Football Association's E. Santosh Kumar netted 2 goals in the 2nd and 26th minute of the match, while S.A. Hitler and Monix Kontaucham netted 1 goal each in the 21st and 65th minute of the match. DSA Bishnupur and DSA Chandal will lock horns in the 5th league match of the tournament tomorrow. YAC High School and Thao Thangmaiban beat their rivals in the 23rd El Sangeeta Devi Memorial 1st Division Football League tournament held at SKYC ground in Awang Sekmai. In the second match of the tournament, YAC High School beat WSC Ngairangbam 2-1. Thao Thangmaiban beat SCK Kondompokpi 4-2 in the third match. 8 teams are competing in the tournament organized under the aegis of Imphal West District Football Association. India crashed out of the Hockey World League after suffering a shocking 2-3 defeat at the hands of Malaysia in the quarterfinals in London last night. It was hard-fought encounter as both the teams played with great intensity. While the Indians played attacking hockey, the Malaysians preferred to sit back and defend and bank on counter-attacks. With this win, Malaysia have qualified for next year's World Cup to be held in India. Malaysia will face reigning Olympic champions and world number 1 Argentina in the semi-final tomorrow. Argentina defeated Pakistan in the first quarter-final. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Works Minister Biswajit says rains delayed repair of national highways, appeals for people's cooperation to improve roads and bridges. Forest Minister Thongnaucham Shyam Kumar vows to ban air guns and barrel guns in Manipur to protect wildlife. Social Welfare Minister Neem Chakibgan launches Women Helpline number 181 to prevent crimes against women. And NDA nominee Ram Nath Kovind files nomination for the presidential election. Former Speaker Maira Kumar is the opposition candidate.